SD-WAN network, all equipments must be registered and authenticated. So basically the process is done through the issuance of certificates, and that's the process we're going to start on with the controllers. We are going to start by creating a root CA key, and then we will generate a root CA PEM, and then that will allow us sign certificates for all equipment. So let's start with vManage. Let me take this command to create the root CA key. I need to go to vShell, and that's just to let you know all SD-WAN equipment have the traditional CLI and vShell. So vShell is a Linux bash, so we need to go onto that command line in order to issue the certificates. Let's start. So that's our root CA key, and then let's go and generate the root CA PEM, which will be valid for 2000 days. And with this requirement, this is the name of our organization. You have the some other information like the city, the state, and all other information that you can take. And that's done. Let's request the cert install, but you can do this, copy. Okay, I'm in vShell. Anyway, let's go ahead and exit, and I can do that again. As you can see, this is the current certificates. It's already expired since February the 7th. So let me go ahead and uninstall it. Okay, now I can run the same command again. As you can see, it is not there anymore. And now let's install a new root cert chain. As you can see, it's been successfully installed. And then let's go to the GUI. We go to configuration, certificates, controller. We need to generate a CSR. Okay, so it's been generated. Let me go back here, LSL. So that's just, this is the CSR that we just generated. And let's sign it. So basically with this, we're just taking the vManage CSR and we're going to sign it and generate a certificate. As you can see, signature OK. Now I need to go LSL, and you see this is the one that we just created. In order to open it, we do cat and then the name of the file. We open it, we take this certificate, we can open a notepad file, and put it here. We can go back to the GUI, install, and we can install. So let's see the logs. So as you can see, it is successful. And now let's go to add the vBond, but before doing that, let's go to vBond and run this command. What we're doing, we're just we're just going to copy the root CAPM from vManage and install it on vBond. Successfully installed the root certificate chain, and then we can go on vManage, controllers, add controller vBond, the IP address of vBond, add, okay, sometimes we need to check if we can ping, so ping 172.16.100. It's going through the internet. 192.100.11. I can ping vManage from vBond. Let me exit here and try to ping vBond 192.100.1.12. I can also ping let me refresh this. And go back to add the vBond 192.100.12, and then let me type this, then add, so one of the things that I need to check is to check if I have the tunnels up. Okay, this is the reason. So I need to go to config, VPN 0, interface GE0, no tunnel interface, commit. Now we come here, show running config. So as you can see, as soon as I removed the tunnel, vManage could access vBond, and then I can now go to certificates. So make sure that when you're doing this, your tunnels are not up. I should start a device, controllers, add controller, vBond, I already did this. Okay, before doing that, let me go back here, vshell ls l. As you can see, we only have one file. Let me generate the CSR, and let's come here, lsl. We now have two files. What we need to do is to do cat to view this. We need to take this But before doing that, let me do this. We need to create a file named vbond CSR, and then we come back to vbond, we copy this, come here, escape I, type in there, accept colon xa ls l. Now it is saved under vManage. Now we can go here and then take this in order to sign and generate a search. It is successful. LSL cat. We need to take this certificate and then paste it on vBond. We can check the logs. So basically that's it for the controllers. You can follow the same process for your vSmart, and then I will see you on the next session to register the certificates of these two vEdges. I'll see you there.